Good morning, students of class 3. It's your science class, and today we will continue our chapter 10, that is light, sound, and force. In previous video, we have learned about light, and in this video, we will learn about sound and force. So, first of all, we will learn about sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy which helps us to hear. We can hear different types of sound around us. Sound comes from various sources such as people talking, playing music, creeping of birds, rustling of leaves, moving vehicles, ringing of the doorbell, and barking of a dog. So we hear different types of sound. Sounds may be soft or loud, pleasant or unpleasant. So there are different types of sound. Mainly there are two types of sound, that is pleasant sound or unpleasant sound. What is pleasant sound? The sound which we like to hear are called pleasant sound, such as sound of piano, rainfall, sound of bird, horses running are the examples of pleasant sound. And unpleasant sound, the sound which we don't like to hear. Such sounds are called unpleasant sound. For example, honking of vehicles and the beating of drums. These are the unpleasant sound. And unpleasant sound and loud sounds are called noise. So what is noise? Unpleasant and loud sounds are called noise. Now, noise pollution. We get disturbed by high levels of sound. It is not good for our health. It is very harmful for our health and diminishes. These are called noise pollution. It affects upon our health badly. So we should avoid to hear such type of sound. To avoid noise pollution, we should speak softly, play music and TV at low volume, and avoid the use of horns as far as possible. So today we have learned about the sound. Now our next topic is force. What is force? Force is a push or pull that is applied on the object. Okay, tie a string to a toy car. If you pull at the string, the car moves toward you. So now push a table with pressure. You can see the table moves away from you due to the force. So when we push or pull anything, then we are applying the force. Now the next example is take a long eraser and try to twist it. This twisting is also a kind of force. So pushing, pulling or twisting is a force. When we apply force, then either we are doing pulling, pushing or twisting the object. Thus force can move an object, stop a moving object, change the direction of moving object and change the shape of the object. So what a force can do? Force can move an object, stop a moving object, change the direction of a moving object and change the shape of the object. So students, I think you understood what is force and what a force can do. Force is a push or pull, okay, that is applied on any object, and a force can move an object, stop a moving object, change the direction of a moving object and change the shape of the object. Now the next one is friction. Friction is also a type of force. Okay, it is also a type of force. So we can define a friction is a special force that slows down a moving object. As for example, when we are skiing on ice or skating on a hill slope, ठीक है, which one will be easier? So skiing on ice is easier to skating on a hill slope because friction is lesser on the ice than the hill, because friction is less on the smooth surface and it is more on the rough surface. So friction is a special force that slows down a moving object. When there is very less friction, things tend to slide. When the friction is more, things do not move easily. So what is friction? A friction is a special force that slows down a moving object. So students, you have to learn about sound, force and friction. That's all for today. Thank you.